Hello guys, what's up? I don't know, but today's gonna be the second tornado I've ever seen. It's already raining, hailing so fast. Oh! Ay, Dios mío, ay, Dios mío, ay, Dios mío, ay, Dios mío. Ay, whoa. Splashed me with water, but yeah. You can see there's fast winds. Probably gonna be a tornado or something, because it said severe thunderstorm. The power just went out, so we didn't have any internet. But I'm recording with camera. I'm not recording with YouTube, and that's how I make some of my videos. But it's literally hailing outside. See you guys. Stay safe if you're